Question is asking the demand for stereo headphones and MP3 players for joggers has caused the Nina Industries to grow almost 50% over the past year. The number of joggers continues to expand, so Nina expects demand for headset to also expand because as yet no safety law have been passed to prevent joggers from wearing them. Demand for the players for last year was as follows. So the data is given, the last year data. This is the time variable. This is the demand variable. Using linear regression analysis, what would you estimate demand to be for next month, next year? Using the spreadsheet, follow the general format in Exhibit 3.8. You can ignore this one. Compare your result to those obtained by using the forecast spreadsheet function. I would like to, recommend to use the Excel function of slope and intercept to find out linear regression equation. And then you can find out the answer, which is the forecasting next year, 13 through 24. First of all, you need to find out the slope. Equal sign, slope function. Choose your last year demands, comma, your time variable. Then you can find slope is 192.33. Next, intercept function. Again, you choose the demands data equals comma and time variable. You find the intercept is the 3766.67. Then your linear regression equation is y equals 3766.67 plus 192.31 times t. This is your regression equation. To forecast your next year, using this intercept and slope times your time variable. Again, as I said, this could be fixed by adding the dollar sign before and after this alphabet. So we use the same slope, same intercept, why we allow to change these time variables. Sorry, this should be your time variable here. And then you can drag the formula. This is what you should have. You are forecasting next year based on your linear regression equation. That's it. Thank you.